Up next on the Tesla Plaid channel.
This BMW M8 Competition, we're going to give it the hit. Bradenton Motorsports, August 25th, 2022, Thursday night test and tune. Now this is more like it. Turns out they had 447 wristbands handed out on Saturday night. A much more reasonable number of cars here tonight. We've got possible rain later, which just scared some people away. Not such a bad thing though. And our first race is going to be against this BMW M8 Competition. We're going to give it the hit. It'll certainly get out on us. It's a quick car, and we'll have to run it down. Some big Pilot Sport 4S. I like this wrap, flat black. Probably the fastest car over on this side other than the other two Teslas. If this Fox body can get into the 9s, we'll run it. And they don't usually let us go down against dragsters, in case you're wondering why we're not running that. They'll send that dragster down solo. So we're on the stock 19-inch wheels tonight with the aerodynamic covers removed on the Pirelli P Zeros. These are my preferred tires when we're running quarter mile. We'll put the Nittos on, or much stickier tire when we're just running 1/8 mile only. All right, our first race tonight is going to be against this M8 Competition. We agreed to give them the move. We arrived tonight with 92% battery state of charge.
We don't have a hard time doing fine on this racetrack.
All right, this dragster's making a pass, and apparently they're going to send the white Tesla down next to him, so that's unusual. Normally they send the dragsters down solo. We've lined up with some dragsters at the 1/8 mile track, never in the quarter mile though. We've also seen them going to the other lane. Something I'm not all that interested in doing with one. Trading paint. Maybe we'll get lined up with it next. First things first, this M8 Competition. Yeah, the Tesla didn't have a chance. Okay, we're giving him the move. There he goes. He didn't get that far out. Oh, we got a great good launch, 147, 60 foot. There he goes. He didn't get that far out. Oh, we got a great good launch, 147, 60 foot. I'm not sure if he's launched that car before, but I expect him to launch harder. That felt like a good pass. That should be at least in the 920s. All right, what did we get on this first ticket here?
There you are.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, on that first pass, we ran a 920 at 150.5 miles an hour. So once again, we're not running afoul of the NHR rules exactly. I mean, they say 150 or under. I think 150.5 will probably slide by. We had a 147 60 foot and a 596 1/8 mile. That's a good 1/8 mile time. Anything in the mid to low 590s. BMW didn't have as much power as I expected. I really thought he'd be launching harder than that. Let's see who we can get lined up with in our second race. All right, the real dragster's open to going down with us, so we'll do it. And we don't have a chance in the world, but hey, I don't know if he's pro tree. He's probably a sportsman tree since he's in lane 6. Most of these reels are pro tree, but he must be running sportsman tonight. As long as he keeps it in his lane, I'll be more than happy. We're going to courtesy stage with him, of course. I'm going to grab my bulb. Staging it up. This is looking good. He was running 1/8 mile or 1,000 foot. I wasn't paying that close of attention, but he was clearly way out of it long before the 1320 mark. Right on, man. Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you.
No problem.
Pretty consistent with the previous run. 921, 150.6 mile an hour, 100 slower on the ET and 1/10 of a mile an hour faster. We're at 86% battery state of charge after that run. We made our first pass at 92, and we started the second pass at 89. It was 3% per quarter mile pass. That was fun. We knew he'd get way out there, and he sure did. And even with his early shutdown, looked like he still crossed 1320 ahead of us. Pretty sure he did, and even if he didn't, he easily could have if he chose to. A lot of fun. All right, let's see if we can find somebody just a little bit slower than that Dragster, but we want someone faster than all these 10, 11, 12 second cars. There's a red Corvette here, looks interesting. Let me see if I can get lined up with it. Got a few interesting cars out here. Hope it doesn't rain. I saw this red Vette come in. I was hoping maybe I can line up with it, but I think this guy's got a YouTube channel or something, and he's trying to get exclusive footage. Don't blame him. How's it going?
How are you?
Good, good. That looks pretty slick. We found another interesting car to line up with. We didn't have enough time to get it back into drag strip mode. It says 4 minutes remaining, but we're at 86% battery state of charge. We should be good for mid 920, I think, depending how our launch goes. this yellow car other than that he's on a Pro Tree. And he's got a whole lot of tire. And a pretty good sounding idle. Says 9 minutes remaining till peak performance. That's strange. Doesn't usually go up. In any case, that's just a reminder, boys and girls, there's always someone faster out there. I mean, that's not a street legal vehicle by any means.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, we thought we'd have a mid 920. We had a 925 with a 5 at 149.8 miles an hour. Again, that wasn't full peak performance ready on that pass. We started that pass at 86%. I had a great reaction on that Pro Tree 0.419. I think I was talking to my backswing again. A 150 60 foot, not spectacular. 602 eighth mile. Fun run. It's not too often we lose 2 out of 3 at this point, but we're trying not to race any cars that are slower than us. No fun in that. Let's see who we can find who's running a true 9-second quarter mile and running all the way through the quarter mile. How's that car running?
Now there.
How's that running?
Good. I haven't ran it yet though, but I will. I'm about to.
Yeah?
When I get up there.
Okay, if I line up next to you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool.
Yeah, you got a nice Tesla. Is it a Plaid?
It is.
Oh.
You have a preference whether you're in the right or left lane?
Left.
Cool. I'll go
No, yeah, left lane, yeah.
I'll go in the right lane, and I'll let you move first just to make it sporting, you know?
Yeah, either way, I know. They just had Tesla run 9.8 right there, so.
All right. Well, that's unfortunate. We had a race all set up with the McLaren, and now the rain's coming down, so we're only able to get those 3 races in, but hey, real dragster and that other trailered beast, and the BMW M8 Competition. 3 interesting races. We will look for the McLaren the next time we come out, but this is going to be too much rain for them to clear the track. I don't think there's any chance they're going to continue here. All right, we'll see you next time right here on the Tesla Plaid channel.